This is an experience about sustainable steel production in the UAE. Steel processing equipment then refines the material, ensuring precision and minimal waste. Steel production equipment enhanced by steel production robot. Technology automates tasks, reducing human error and energy use. Welcome to the engagement phase. Energy efficiency. Investing in technologies to reduce energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. 2. Renewable energy integration. Welcome to the assessment phase. How does the integration of renewable energy sources contribute to sustainable steel production in the UAE?
Not sure.
The integration of renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, reduces reliance on fossil fuels. Welcome to the Skills Simulator. Implement advanced steel processing equipment to enhance energy efficiency and reduce waste during production. Utilize modern steel production equipment designed to minimize energy consumption and optimize resource use. Now, it's your turn to demonstrate the process. This is your overview chart and your score is final score, 62%. You got 5 out of 5 right. The user successfully completed all 5 steps in the sustainable steel production in the UAE procedure.